Hey there, everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with computers, the issue of slow performance. We've all been there, trying to get work done or relax with some entertainment, only to be frustrated by a sluggish and unresponsive system. But fear not, because I have some great solutions to help speed things up and get your computer running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. The solution to this performance problem lies in optimizing your system's starter programs. By reducing the number of unnecessary applications that launch automatically when you start your computer, you can significantly improve its speed and responsiveness. Take a look at your starter programs and disable any that you don't need running in the background. This simple step can make a world of difference in how quickly your computer boots up and performs tasks. Another solution to address slow performance is to clean up your hard drive. Over time, files and applications can clutter your hard drive, leading to a decrease in performance. By removing unused programs, deleting temporary files, and organizing your data, you can free up valuable space and help your computer run more efficiently. Trust me, your computer will thank you for it. In summary, if you're experiencing slow performance on your computer, don't fret. By optimizing your starter programs and cleaning up your hard drive, you can boost your system's speed and productivity in no time. So give the solution a try and get ready to enjoy a faster, more responsive computer. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech issues you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, happy computing.